This is what my caulk looks like around my bathtub now. And no amount of cleaning is getting this out. So I'm going to try this product to see how well it will do before I go full on home DIY and take out the caulk and replace it. This is the mold and mildew cleaner gel formula that I'm going to be trying. It has an applicator cap, and so you're just gonna put it on there and then run the gel along the area. Sorry for my breathing. I'm a 58-year-old grandma trying to do this. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down so I can finish doing this around the whole tub. I don't think you need to follow me the whole time. Okay, I've got a bead of the gel all the way around the tub. I'm gonna leave it the 3 to 6 hours that it recommends. And actually I've already taken my shower today, so I'm gonna leave it overnight and we'll come back tomorrow and see how it did. This is just a few hours later and it's already looking a whole lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit on overnight and we'll see how it does. Okay, this is after one application. I applied it yesterday and then this is the next morning and I'm rinsing this off and look at the difference. That's a huge difference. So I will probably go back and hit a couple of these spots another time just to get them finished. But then I have a feeling I'm gonna have to do the rest of the grout because it's gonna make that bottom part's gonna make this part look dirty. I really like this. It's mold and mildew cleaner gel formula. Worked really well. The proof is in the tub.